Nixon, Aunt Elisa gave this to you. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. Here, look. Oh my God. Nixon, you're not a heathen. Oh my God. Nixon, what noise are you making? Oh my dear Lord. Holy crap. Okay, I'm going to give you one more little piece. One more little piece. And then we're going to save the rest for tomorrow. Oh, jeez. Wow.